In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update n8n Docker container. If you're running n8n on Docker desktop, the process is quick and safe, and your workflows and data remain intact as long as you're using persistent volumes, which most setups do by default. We'll begin right inside Docker desktop. Find your existing n8n container in the containers list. Go ahead and click Stop. Stopping pauses the application and frees up the files so Docker can bring in the newest image. This does cause a short bit of downtime, so plan to do it at a convenient moment. With n8n stopped, move to the search bar at the top of Docker desktop, type n8n IO, and select the official n8n image that appears. You'll see a tag selector. Choose the tag labeled latest. That tag points to the most recent stable release. Now, click Pull. Docker Desktop will download the updated image layers. Depending on your internet speed, this may take a minute or two. If you're on a metered connection, be aware that images can be a few hundred megabytes, so give it time to finish without interruption. Once the pull completes, the latest n8n image is available on your machine. Head back to your containers view and start your n8n container again by clicking Start. Docker will launch n8n just like before, with your existing configuration and data. Because you've just pulled the latest image associated with your setup, the container can now run with the updated version. Give it a moment to initialize, then open the n8n interface as you normally would to continue working. A couple of quick tips as you wrap up. If your container needs environment variables or mounted folders, those settings remain exactly as they were. Stopping and starting doesn't change them. If the Start button appears to hang, wait a few seconds and try again, as background image housekeeping can briefly delay launches. And if your internet briefly drops during the pull, simply repeat the pull for the latest tag once the connection is stable. That's all there is to it. You stopped the current container, searched for n8n, selected the latest tag, pulled the image, and started n8n back up. This simple routine helps you stay current with performance improvements and fixes while keeping your setup familiar. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.